Are you ready to revolutionize your cooking experience and create delicious, crispy meals with ease? Look no further than the Instant VersaZone 9-quart air fryer. From the makers of the Instant Pot, this versatile appliance offers 8-in-1 functionality and advanced EvenCrisp technology for perfect results every time. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Instant VersaZone 9-quart air fryer is a must-have addition to any kitchen. Versatile cooking options. With the Instant VersaZone 9-quart air fryer, you can do more than just air frying. Bake, roast, broil, reheat, or dehydrate, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're craving crispy wings, roasted veggies, or decadent cinnamon buns, this air fryer has you covered with customizable one-touch smart programs. Dual basket option for flexibility. Thanks to the proprietary VersaZone technology, you can choose to cook in a single 9-quart zone or dual 4-5-quart zones with separate controls for each. This means you can cook 2 different meals simultaneously, catering to different preferences or dietary restrictions. Synchronized cooking for effortless meals. SynCook and SyncFinish features make cooking a breeze. With SynCook, you can cook both baskets with the same settings, while SyncFinish allows you to program baskets with 2 different settings to automatically finish at the same time. Say goodbye to juggling multiple cooking times and temperatures with the Instant VersaZone. Every meal comes out perfectly coordinated. Advanced EvenCrisp Technology. Experience the magic of EvenCrisp technology, which drives air flow top-down for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. Whether you're air frying, baking, or roasting, this advanced technology ensures consistent, delicious results with every use. Fast preheating and easy cleanup. Say goodbye to long preheating times and tedious cleanup sessions. The Instant VersaZone 9-quart air fryer heats up quickly, so you can go from frozen to golden in minutes. Plus, with non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry baskets, cooking trays, and divider, cleanup is a breeze, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your culinary creations and less time scrubbing. Safety features for peace of mind. With built-in safety features like overheat protection and auto-off, you can cook with confidence, knowing that your safety is a top priority. Whether you're cooking for yourself or your family, you can relax and enjoy the cooking process, knowing that the Instant VersaZone has you covered. A kitchen must-have. The Instant VersaZone 9-quart air fryer is a kitchen essential, perfect for quick, delicious meals, preparing side dishes, appetizers, and more. With its large capacity and versatile cooking options, it's sure to become your go-to appliance for everyday cooking and entertaining. Discover amazing recipes with Instant Brands Connect app. Unlock a world of culinary inspiration with the free Instant Brands Connect app, available on iOS and Android. Explore new recipes, create quick favorites, and prepare delicious meals with ease. With the Instant VersaZone 9-quart air fryer and the Instant Brands Connect app, the possibilities are endless. Ready to elevate your cooking game? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Instant VersaZone 9-quart air fryer is a must-have addition to any kitchen. With its versatility, advanced technology, and ease of use, it's the ultimate tool for creating delicious, crispy meals with ease. Don't wait, order yours today and start cooking like a pro. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.